It's huge.
Well, it came at the ground, didn't it?
Yeah. I be telling y'all to stay out of that grass. This is amazing though.
Yeah, now step on him.
I'm not finna.
I got flip flops on.
He's moving. He's coming towards you.
That's a big spider.
He's huge.
Mom, I think that's the mama spider.
And he jumped.
Dad, I think that's the mama spider. That's because it's baby spider. That's why he came to our yard to look.
Peaches, go finish doing what you got to do. I can't worry with this spider and worry with you.
All right.
He need to move. Make a move.
The motherfucker turn around and jump on you, we're gonna have a whole heart attack.
It's brown, so is that the brown recluse?
Over there.
I'm down over there.
You need to go back over there and water. You're not done.
I just gave it some water. I gave him some